Welcome, in front of me I have TCL 20 Pro, and today I'll show you how fingerprint sensor works in the smartphone. You can find fingerprint sensor built in the display right here. So let's make a few tries, let's see how it performs. When we tap on the screen, it's not going to pop here, so we have to tap on the power key, and after that we can use sensor. As you can see, it works really fast. Right now it's reliable. It unlocks and recognizes my fingerprint in all tries. Unfortunately, I didn't apply tempered glass on the display, so I cannot tell you how sensitive it is when you use protection on your display. But without any protection, it works really nice. As you can see, it's fast, reliable. But it will be nice if you got the fingerprint sensor icon in right now on the blank screen. Unfortunately, it's not available, and when I try to scan my fingerprint, oh, right now it is. Okay. So let me check it another time. Okay, so when you tap in this place, when fingerprint sensor is, once we can scan our fingerprint. So yeah, that's nice. Cool feature. We can unlock our smartphone a little bit faster. We don't have to press power key. We can simply click here and then scan fingerprint. So as you can see, that's how it works. And if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.